Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing a unboxing of the Beyblade X UX-09 Samurai Saber 270L. So yeah, sorry if I sound like shit. I just woke up, got this. I have one more coming in today. When I'm recording this comes with the report sword launcher. But yeah, really happy to get this. So let's go. Okay. I've never been a fan of the sword launcher, but let's see actually how it goes. Oh, okay. That's alright, same way. Ooh, actually, maybe I'll switch to this, but I'm not completely sure. I actually do like the colors to this. Ooh, and this is rubber, actually. Cool. Yeah, that's rubber. It, this way? Yeah. There we go. I think. Yeah. Yep. Finally, some rubber to it. Let me see where that went. Let's see. Yeah, I'll definitely see. Yeah. Definitely interesting. And finally, the main day itself. Here's the actual open. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Here's the tip. And the 270. Really can't wait to really test this guy out. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.